Hey y'all. So I know I said I was gonna do a tire rotation today, but that's not happening. So instead, my car tip for the day is going to be around your cabin air filter, and it purifies the air in your cabin. So I'm going to show y'all where it's located in most cars and how to remove it and how to replace it. So for my car, it's behind the glove box. So it's going to be behind the glove box, and how you access it, you open your glove box and you see how it comes down and it's nice and smooth, like it doesn't just drop. It's because you have like a little hydraulic pump on the side that's holding it in so that it doesn't just fall straight down. So what you have to do is unhinge this. You don't need any tools, you just need your hand. Sometimes it's like a little pump, sometimes it's not, but you'll be able to see it, and all you have to do is just push it. Use your manpower, push it, and now it's undone. You see, wiggle wiggle. So that loosens up your glove box to free it up. All right, so next step, you take your hands on the side of your glove box. So this is the glove box. This is where you have all your goodies and stuff. So you're gonna push in, like you're gonna push towards the center of the glove box, and you're gonna let it fall, okay? So like, I know it's gonna feel like it's broken. Trust me, it's not. It's supposed to do this. It's meant to do this. I just let everything fall out. Sometimes you can catch it, but whoop, there it is. This is where this is the housing for your cabin air filter. All right, boom. So to get to the actual cabin air filter, you're gonna have every cabin air filter is going to be different. Every housing is going to be different, so you just have to become familiar with yours. I have two little pegs that I'll show you once I take it out. That's all you have to do is push in on it and pull it out, and then here's the tray for your cabin air filter. So this is it, y'all. That's it. That came from right there. It's that simple. This is it. All right, so that's taking it out. So it's in a tray, it's in its own house. All you have to do is actually just lift the actual filter up out of the tray. That's the tray that it goes in, and this is the actual filter itself. There's specific numbers for your car, so if you don't know, you can simply go online, go to the store, tell them your year, make, and model, and they'll figure out what is the right size air filter. So clearly, as you can see to the site, mine is dirty, and you really I need to get it changed. So it's got all kinds of gunk in it, right? So it's got feathers, it's got twigs. This is the air it's pulling from the outside and filtering it to blow into your car when you blow the AC. Why is this important, you ask? Great question. So a lot of times there can be, I know y'all read it, you can get a dead rat in here. Rats can crawl into your engine, settle in here, make a rat's nest, and sometimes they can just die, or they can use up in here rat turds, and then that's blowing into your car. Y'all, you're breathing rat turds. You're breathing rat shit. People have gotten sick off this. People have died off of this. No cap, no joke. Y'all, it's a measly $30. Change your cabin air filter. Save a life, period, okay? Last but not least, I know you might be tempted, and a lot of people who just don't want to spend the money on it might be tempted to take it and just shake it out and be like, okay, well, it's good as new. Do not do this. Do not do this. What you're doing when you do that is you're loosening up all the particles that were already compacted tightly into this filter because it was doing its job. When you put that back into your car and you put that back into the housing, you see I have a twig that's stuck in here. So that all this stuff gets stuck in the fan that's in there, and then it starts causing a really bad rattle sounds. It starts blowing all the particles that were once compacted in there all into your cabin. So then really what you're doing is just shaking it out for everything to get back into your car. So just buy a new one. Toss the old one, buy a new one, pop the new one in there. 5 minutes, if that. Okay.